Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Mark and this is Black Hut Design. Hey everyone, this is Black Hut Design. Thanks for coming in. We're going to start up this channel now. I've been building on this channel for a little while now. We are going to go full-fledged. I am building my workshop right now as I got a bug flying in front of my face. What we're going to be doing is I got to finish the edge of the wall behind me here, get that done. And if I have time tonight, I'm going to build a couple of shelves over here. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's a new channel. Need the subscribers. We really appreciate it. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Make sure to hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. You get a notification anytime I put up a new video. Gonna be a ton. I'm building this workshop right out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I am a beginning woodworker, so this is all new for me. So let's get into it, and we'll see what we'll be doing tonight. All right. So what we're gonna be doing tonight is, like I said, we gotta finish building out the wall here. I got a sheet of 4x8 wafer board. I got to cut the pieces down, fit them in, and hopefully if I have time afterwards, and this goes fairly smoothly, I'm going to build a couple of shelves over here. So I'll show you guys how I do it. I am a beginner well, I'm a little bit above a beginner. I used to be into woodworking over 15 years ago in a previous house that I lived in. We had plenty of room. I had a nice basement set up for it. I did a lot of stuff down there. Well, as my daughters got older, we moved out of that house, moved into this house. Well, this house had a completely full finished basement. I had no place to work. So my daughters are older. They are heading off to college. So what I did was the finished basement, I've split in half. This is a new wall behind me here, if you haven't been following. And the other half is going to be my office because my full-time profession is a web designer. In this area here is going to be my workshop. It's going to be for storage. It's going to be anywhere that I can make a mess. I have nothing on the floor, so if I spill paint on the floor, it's no big deal. So I got to finish building this wall here. So like I said, we're going to finish this corner and see how it comes out. All right, so I have you on the road mic right now. Not the greatest of sound down here. There's a lot of noise in this basement, a lot of echo, but let me get this wafer board in position here. Not much room down here, so this is going to be interesting. Okay, let's get my sawhorses. Hopefully this works and I don't kill myself. This could be interesting. Wow. You know what? I don't think we're going to use sawhorses. I think we're going to go right on the ground on this. So from here, lay down. One over here. As long as I wanted it to be, but right down there. Drop the wood. That should be enough clearance for the blade. Yeah, that should be good. Oops. Almost forgot. Safety glasses. one part. Alright, so what I need to do now is I need to put this piece up here. I'm actually going to use this, trim it down on the bottom there. I'm going to actually pull out the tables off of that. Can't get the camera in there. Let me see if it'll zoom in any. That's not bad. I'll be able to see it a little bit better. But let's see how well my measurement was. I got a feeling it's not going to be the greatest, because this is not going to be easy. Alright. So we're going to put the torn up edge up against the wall, the existing wall. Yeah, I'm off. I bowed wicked bad. I bowed wicked bad. So, I'm going to take a little bit of this off. Alright, so, like I said, this is a learning experience for me, so I need to figure out why. I thought I had 15.5 all the way up. Try 15.5 here. A little bit more up here. So I need to trim. This edge is good. Alright, and this is going to be 15.5 here. 15.5 there, so it's 15.5 all the way up. So we got 15.5 there. We've got 15.5 there. It's just like a smidge. I don't know how I could have messed that up. Alright, so let's get that straight edge, which I don't know what I did with. Darn it all. Let's grab another one. Okay, so now I gotta find those marks. There's the mark. And with this, I'd much rather be a little short than long. Alright. Okay, so this is going to be a tricky cut. For me, anyway. Probably someone with experience, this is easy. Alright, hopefully those clamps hold. Hopefully that worked out a little bit better. Let's see if this worked any better. Alright, had to use a little persuasion, but I got it in there. I have a seam right here, I don't know, nope, just below the camera, right here, between these two boards. So I didn't want to run, the seams all at the same place, so I'm running it down. I'll put a little piece up there and a little piece down on the bottom. Let's brad nail this in, and then we'll get some screws and secure it tightly. Alright, Ryobi, or Ryobi brad nailer. This thing is worth its weight in gold. I love this thing. It has saved me so much work. Just throw a couple in to hold it, so it don't fall down on me. Okay. These brads are not going to hold any weight. Just tack it in. So we'll get let's get our screws and our impact driver, and let's get that in. Alright. Oops, I'm going to need a bit. That would help. Alright, so I'm going to attach to the wall 2-inch construction screws with a T20 star bit. See if that'll focus on that. I doubt it. Right there. So let's pop her in. Okay. Another tool that I'm so glad that I picked up. This is a really good tool. It makes life so much easier. It's so much easier to use than a drill with a screwdriver bit. So go here, just like that. Okay, so that's basically it. Like I said, I'm going to put a small piece up there, another small piece down there, but that wall is now finished. Alright, for this part I am going to have to put it up on the sawhorse, but it's a little bit smaller now, so it should be hopefully easier. Way wicked old sawhorse. Oh, we'll leave that there. And leave that all. And who needs a workbench? We'll just do this. Believe it or not, a lot of people, that's what they use for a workbench. But we want this to look nice in here. Alrighty, now that I tore everything apart, I found my safety glasses. They're right in front of my freaking face. Alright, so I need to cut there, and then there. Alright. Let's do some cutting. All right, right up there, perfect cut. Frustrating tonight. I keep on losing stuff. All right, so I'm gonna throw 3 or 4 brads in it just to hold it. Oh, help if I put a battery in it. Tend to work better with batteries. Let's try this again. Okay. That's not going anywhere. All right, so that's good. As I'm way down here. Hi. That's good. I was going to have to put a... Yeah, let me bring it down so you can see me. Ugh. There we go. All right, so go over to the secondary camera here. I was going to have to put a piece down here. I think I might leave that as access because I might want to finish this wall. I know I'm going to want to put stuff on the top of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just push this bench over. It'll give me more room at the doorway too. I think that'll work. Let's see if I can push this over. Or if I have to move everything. See how strong I am today. All right, like I said, this is Black Hut Design. We're gonna have a ton more of these videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, thank you for getting this far in the video. Please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really does help out the channel. If you're already subscribed, hit the bell icon. Make sure notifications are allowed on your mobile device. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think I could have done better. So, thanks for watching. I'll be back to you guys real soon.